Hi there. Here is a smart 4-bedroom townhouse for sale at Dzorwulu, Accra, Ghana. The house is situated in a gated community with a shared compound in just about 5 minutes drive to the Ketuka International Airport. You could remotely control this house from any part of the world through the power of the internet. You could turn off the main lights, turn off the main electric power, and also control other gadgets from any location of your choice. Additionally, this house can also be manipulated or controlled while at home, all made possible through the power of Alexa voice technology built into this house. Give us a call now, for your dream home are with you. Thank you.
You are my woman, only you be my woman. You got me deeper than a bag of drugs. I can never get enough of you.